The court granting interim bail to the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal in the Delhi excise policy case. Mere interrogation doesn't allow arrest, is what the Supreme Court has now said. It's big relief, with the Supreme Court also saying that the Delhi Chief Minister suffered for 90 days. It's a big and important observation. Arvind Kejriwal is an elected leader. Supreme Court has given him interim bail, given the Delhi Chief Minister interim bail, saying that he suffered for 90 days. For interrogation, you do not require, you're not required to arrest the person in question here. He suffered for 90 days. It's a big, in fact, setback to the agency, the Enforcement Directorate, with the Supreme Court of India now saying that he suffered for 90 days. You do not require his custody to interrogate him, says the Supreme Court of India, also reflecting on the days gone by, saying that he was suffering for the 90 days that have gone by. Shrishti.
Well, yes, definitely. This is a big relief coming in for Delhi's Chief Minister from the Supreme Court today. What's important here to point out is that, yes, he has been granted interim bail in the ED matter, but he's still behind bars in the CBI case. So as of now, he cannot walk out of jail even despite Supreme Court's order today. But this also means that had CBI not arrested him a few weeks back, then today's order would have been very favourable for him in a way where he would have been able to walk out of Tihar jail. With regard to the powers of court, the powers of investigating officer and certain other questions, necessity of arrest, what parameters had to be followed, etc., the court has referred the question to a larger bench. So 3-judge bench is likely to now hear this matter. But till then, till that larger bench is constituted, till the larger bench hears these arguments, Arvind Kejriwal is allowed to be out on interim bail, at least as far as today's order is concerned. If the CBI arrest had not taken place, the Chief Minister would have been able to walk out of jail after Supreme Court's order today itself. But considering CBI arrested him, he's still behind bars in the CBI matter. He will have to stay inside jail because he's still an accused. As far as the arrest question is concerned, why it is a big relief for Arvind Kejriwal today from Supreme Court also because the court has not directly gone ahead and called his arrest illegal. That is in itself a very, very, very big relief, because if the Supreme Court thought that the arrest was illegal on the face of it, or the arrest was legal, sorry, my apologies, if the arrest was legal on the face of it, they could have just said that in their judgment that the arrest, that Arvind Kejriwal's arrest by the Enforcement Directorate was legal. However, the court had decided to not do that. That means that there are some more questions, according to even Supreme Court, that need to be considered, some more aspects that need to be considered before they hold that Arvind Kejriwal's arrest was legal or illegal. But big statement that has come in favor of Arvind Kejriwal, where the court has said that Arvind Kejriwal suffered for 90 days. He is an elected leader. He was elected by the people. Interim bail is what the court has decided to grant him as of now. With regard to whether or not he should continue as the Chief Minister, the court has said that they leave it on Arvind Kejriwal. It will be Arvind Kejriwal's decision whether or not to stay as the Chief Minister or not. This is definitely a huge relief, Sneha, for Arvind Kejriwal, because the challenge to arrest in a way has been referred to a larger bench, and the court has decided to not just say that, to not hold that his arrest was legal, which in itself is a big, big win, at least as of now, for Arvind Kejriwal. Again, whether or not his arrest is legal or not is for the Supreme Court, a larger bench of the Supreme Court to decide, because the court has referred legal questions pertaining to the challenge to Arvind Kejriwal's arrest to a larger bench as of now. As I pointed out earlier, considering Arvind Kejriwal is behind bars in the CBI matter, because the CBI had also arrested him recently in the Delhi excise policy case, despite today's order, despite the fact that he has been granted interim bail, he will not be able to walk out of jail today, only because the Central Bureau of Investigation had arrested him recently, and he's presently behind bars in Tihar jail in both the ED and CBI cases. But as far as the challenge to arrest is concerned,
and about the Section 19 interpretation, etc., the matter has been referred to the larger bench.
I वांट टू नो हिंदी। आज सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने एंट्री बेल केजरीवाल को दिया है और बेल देने के बाद जो मैटर लार्जर बेंच को रिफर किया गया, उसके बारे में बता दीजिए सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने क्या क्या बोला है।
सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने आज अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को अंतरिम जमानत दी है और ये कहा है कि उनको जो है इस मैटर में अंतरिम जमानत दी जाती है और जो इशू है सेक्शन 19 का और नीड फॉर अरेस्ट का, उसको जो है रेफर किया गया है लार्जर बेंच में।
सर, अभी सीबीआई केस में भी केजरीवाल अंदर जेल में है, तो क्या ये एंट्री बेल जो मिला तो अभी सीबीआई केजरीवाल जी अभी जेल में रहेंगे कि बाहर आ सकते हैं, क्या है?
केजरीवाल जी अभी कस्टडी में
Few minutes back, the Honorable Supreme Court bench has pronounced its judgment. We obviously don't have a copy of the detailed judgment yet, which will be uploaded in the course of the day. I am just giving a briefing based on what the court observed during the oral reading out of parts of the judgment. The court has examined aspects of Section 19 of requirement of arrest under the PMLA. There were certain legal issues which arose from that, which especially in the context of whether there is a requirement of necessity of arrest in addition to the requirement of Section 19 which are stipulated in that section. Those aspects the court has referred to a larger bench, and that outcome we will have to await. However, in the interim, the court has observed that Mr. Kejriwal has already undergone substantial amount of incarceration and therefore directed his immediate release in the Enforcement Directorate case. And therefore, insofar as his arrest under Enforcement Directorate is concerned, it has been directed that he should be immediately released. Now that obviously in normal circumstances would have meant that he would be released from jail immediately. However, after the trial court had granted, the vacation bench of the trial court had granted him bail, the CBI had also arrested him. Therefore, he's also been arrested by CBI in a separate, although connected case, but that's technically a separate case. Mr. Kejriwal has initiated proceedings against that also. That is pending and coming before High Court on 17th. So depending on the outcome of the CBI case, his actual release from jail will depend on that. But insofar as ED is concerned, he is no more required to be in custody as per the Supreme Court order in the ED matter. Now, insofar as Hindi, Mr. Vivek Jain will speak.
देखिए, सुप्रीम कोर्ट में हमारी याचिका के अंदर दो ग्राउंड्स थे। हमारे दो ग्राउंड्स थे। एक ग्राउंड था मेरिट के ऊपर कि ऑन द मेरिट्स इट इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड टू बी अरेस्टेड। दूसरा था ग्राउंड की नेसेसिटी क्या है अरेस्ट की, जरूरत क्या है अरेस्ट की। जरूरत वाला पॉइंट हमने इसलिए रेज किया था क्योंकि एनफोर्समेंट डायरेक्टरेट के पास एविडेंस बहुत पहले से थे, इसलिए हमने एक क्वेश्चन रेज किया था कि नेसेसिटी ऑफ अरेस्ट की जरूरत कहां से आ गई जब आपके पास एविडेंस बहुत पहले से थे। सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने हमारी याचिका पे ये क्वेश्चन कंसीडर किया है कि हाँ, नेसेसिटी ऑफ अरेस्ट शुड हैव बीन कंसीडर्ड। आईओ को कंसीडर करना चाहिए था कि जरूरत है या नहीं है अरेस्ट करने की, और इसी पॉइंट के ऊपर सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने नेसेसिटी ऑफ अरेस्ट के ऊपर की जरूरत थी या नहीं थी, आईओ ने अपनी जो उनका डिस्क्रेशन है सही तरीके से एक्सरसाइज किया है या नहीं किया है, ये सोचते हुए कि जरूरत है या नहीं है, इस क्वेश्चन को उन्होंने लार्जर बेंच के ऊपर रेफर कर दिया है। लार्जर बेंच इसके पैरामीटर्स निकालेगी कि भाई नेसेसिटी ऑफ अरेस्ट का क्या मतलब है और आईओ को क्या क्या सोच के और जरूरत है अरेस्ट की या नहीं है, इसके ऊपर देखकर ही अरेस्ट करना है। अब क्योंकि मामला अब लार्जर बेंच में लंबित हो गया है, इसलिए सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा है क्योंकि बहुत देर से अनसाइड है, 21 मार्च से वो अंदर है, इसलिए पीएमएलए वाले मैटर के अंदर उन्हें इंतरिम जमानत दी जाती है और पीएमएलए वाले मैटर के अंदर अब अरविंद केजरीवाल को बेल मिलेगी। एज फार एज सीबीआई इज कंसर्न, सीबीआई का मैटर अभी भी लंबित है, उसके अंदर हमारी याचिका हाईकोर्ट के अंदर अभी पेंडिंग है जो 17 तारीख को आ रही है। उस पर डिपेंड करेगा कि वो एक्चुअल में केजरीवाल साहब बाहर आएंगे या नहीं आएंगे। एज फार एज पीएमएलए इज कंसर्न, द मैटर इज ओवर। एज फार एज हिज इंटरिम बेल इज कंसर्न, ही इज आउट ऑन बेल। थैंक यू सर।